Alright, so you're about to watch the very first episode, the very free episode of the 17 episode long season 1 of TMB Evolve. It's a personal transformation bootcamp. It is something you can go through, it is something you can watch if you really want to transform your social and your personal life. If you really want to be more focused, if you really want to get rid of your anxieties, if you really want to be a much clearer and a much happier man, this is something I'm extremely very proud of. I mean, if you want to make more money, if you want to start your business, if you want to go talk to more people, if you want to have a girlfriend, this 17 episode long series, the 1.5 hours on this season 1 is going to help you do that. The following episode is a free episode. You can watch this at tmbevolve.com as well, but I thought I'll upload it here so that you can learn from it, watch it and enjoy the rest. In case you want to get the entire season, you can get it at tmbevolve.com. Enjoy the episode. I'll see you in the next one. Jai Hind. Take care. Bye. And there hasn't been a pause, there hasn't been a stop, there hasn't been a stop to the process ever since. Yes, the content may differ, yes, the platform may change, yes, the narrative will always be evolving, but the mission is always the same. One man, one life, one transformation at a time. Gentlemen, my name is Venkata Acharya. This is Men's Essentials. Let's roll the intro. I have talked about this in my videos a lot of times.
वही एंटरप्रेन्योर आगे बढ़ता है.
ऐसे What's up? Okay, so I don't know your name, भाई मुझे पता है किसी का नाम श्रेयांश. Alright, so you all have to introduce each other, or at least to me. And she's Vansi, he's Ganesh. In case you haven't seen him, he's the guy who has done a lot of crazy things to my hair. So thank you for being here, Ganesh. We all have anxieties, we all have a lot of social pressures. Like I could see them, I could sense a few of them in your own head, and the whole point of this is just get used to the fact that you have to talk to each other, get used to the fact that you have to be in the state of flow. And you just talking to each other for this small introduction was what I was really looking forward to, just warm you all up. So in case when I am not available or when I'm talking to someone else, you all have to talk to each other, you all have to be in your own tune or make this your own group, because I want you all to talk and just use this time as much as you can. I'm here to help. I'm here with you till 11:30, 12:30, whenever I can be. But in case I'm not here to be with you at that moment, please talk around. You have 16 other amazing people to talk to and learn a thing or two more from. How many of you all here are actually interested in entrepreneurship, your own thing? Like you would want to do something of your own, or you have this creative itch, or where you are in the point where you want to find your purpose and whatever, however it is. Most of you all are. And how many of you all are aware of the fact that your personal image and brand is a very important tool to it? Like irrespective of you doing a job or irrespective of you wanting to do your own business, it plays a very important role in it. So these two things are the things that I'm excited or I get psyched about to talk. So these are the things that I'll be trying to help you with as much as I can. In case, I think some of you have even got questions, you all have written things and whatnot. I was telling me that some of you are actually prepared to grill me and whatnot. I'm more than happy to help you with whatever I can. That was the whole point of it. That's the goal here, that's the point. Mansi Thakkar, she has been my friend since October last year, and we have done a few talks here and there, and what I kind of loved about her was she gets the whole idea of how do you itch your entrepreneurial skill and get to it, because I haven't learned the theory, I haven't done anything practical, like I haven't done anything where it's all textbook and no practical. Like what I have done is what I have failed with. But she has helped a lot of businesses grow, so she knows what it is if you are having your own business or if you do want to start a business, what could be your lacking point in case of you aren't aware to develop an idea or whatever it is. I can help you with anything else that can help you scale your business to what I am aware of. she has a different perspective to entrepreneurship. So I wanted her to be on board and share that with you if you all are into that. And when it comes to entrepreneurship and everything else, my whole idea of finding your personal brand and image is something I'm a big fan of. In case you don't know, that's what Men's Essentials is about. I want you all to transform and be your best selves, because this matters. Like, okay, the hair is funny. Half of you don't even recognize it because of the hair, but it's just what I believe in, because this is very important for every, especially men these days. They don't put in the effort. Like, you all look really good. And that's the point of what I'm trying to share with as many men as I can, because I can only reach so many people. But if this guy, Mr. So what's his name, sir? Ojas. If Ojas tries to put his point out to 5 more people, he can actually help 5 more guys out to be a bit more sharply dressed or well-calibrated man in general. So there are a few things I'll talk about which I'll want to share my tips on. It'll not be more than half an hour, 20 minutes long, because I want you all to be talking to me one-on-one. That's the point of you all coming here, and that's the reason I wanted to be this small. So if in case you have any questions, save them. We have time. For now, we'll be starting off with Ms. Mansi Thakkar. She has her amazing point in perspective to talk about entrepreneurship. And in case you do find anything that you have to ask her personally, she's going to be here for half an hour more, 1 hour more. You can do that. Ganesh, he is going to help you with any grooming related questions if you have for your own visual image when it comes to hair and beard or whatever it is. If you have anything that can change your look instantly when it comes to your hair and beard, he is the man. And I have he just landed from Ahmedabad in the afternoon today, like at 2 o'clock, and I forced him to get his ass here because I wanted him to be here. He was very skeptical because he was aware that bhai main rahunga nahi, lekin I want him to be here because of this reason, because he has a lot of things to share, because he has been experimenting on me. I have been his puppet for very long. So he knows what works and what does not work. He can see your face now, he can see your hair now, he can actually give you some genuine good tips or advice when it comes to your grooming and whatever it is. Anyway, Mansi ma'am, please come and do something good.
It was an amazing experience, first being a speaker and also being an audience, because today I had a different perspective of how men think, how men's transformations happen. So as a speaker part, I had my part to speak, but as an audience I got to learn different perceptions and different agendas of personal transformation for men. So yeah, it's a great experience.
It all was amazing. Like, it was one of the best experience I was having. Like, I never attended a show like this, but so I think that it is like one of the best experience I had.
It was one of the most amazing experience I've had till date from any boot camp or like any conference, because we get to interact with Mayank one-on-one, and I could, like in other boot camps, like the people are way too much, but in here there were a selected few people present. So Mayank and all the other speakers like who were there, they were able to give one-on-one attention and were able to like address our questions directly. So for that, the experience was amazing.
Honestly speaking, this is something which all of the people should really try out at least once in their life.
I have learned so many new things, like I couldn't count on my fingers. 10 fingers kam pad jayenge, itna cheez sikha hai yahan pe. But I actually loved, the experience was really amazing.
But secondly, this is something that has a social cause as well. He's doing something to help out people, help out young guys who don't really have a direction in their life. That's something I really missed out on when, me and Mayank were their age. We never had anyone who was right there to guide us as a mentor, or probably just give us that push in the right direction. I'm really happy for that fact.
I got lessons on self-worth, self-confidence, self-esteem, and much more on psychology.
I've noticed that quite a few of my friends require what Mayank was talking about right now in this Evolve, the very first Evolve. They require that teaching, and that will transform them into better gentlemen.
It was a great experience. I got to learn about new things. I got a new experience. I made new friends. I interacted with new people. So little bit, as 0.1% I have grown for the self-confidence for myself.
Because you get to learn much more about how to evolve in your life.
Evolve is for all. We had a great experience with each other.
Best experience I ever had.
I can't explain, it was just amazing.
And I recommend all men, if they really want their transformation, this is the place for you.
Exceptional.